Hi, welcome to Leather and Lasers. My name's Sarah, I am a leather worker and a laser engraver, and this is my channel to cover both of those things and give tutorials and as many details as I can on cool different projects. This one here is a neat wee sunglasses case. These make really cool gifts. I sell them as part of my leather business, and they're a real hit, mostly because of the lining on the inside. Just makes it a real kind of design feature that really draws people to them. So today we're going to go over, it's just going to be an instructional video of how to make these. In the link below you'll see a link to my Etsy shop where I have the PDF for these. This leather PDF I've included because I do the laser engraving, and it's particularly hard on round things like this to know where to laser engrave. So I've included areas on there as to where to do your laser engraving, as well as a fabric template for the lining on the inside of the sunglasses case. So these sunglasses case, I've basically designed this template myself because I found a lot of them weren't big enough. So this one has plenty of room. This is just a pair of aviators, but bigger sunglasses fits them in with plenty of space. If you would like to, or you're up on Skillshare at all, or you're subscribed to Skillshare, check me out there. I have a much more detailed tutorial or class on it there that goes into more of the techniques I use, particularly for ones that, you know, more on the laser engraving, the colours of the finishes, the natural finishing, and the stitching, and how to basically do everything to do with this and the techniques involved. So check out the link below, you'll see the Skillshare class. If you're not signed up to Skillshare, you can get 1 month free trial, so hit the link and take advantage of that. As part of the Skillshare class, the PDF does come free, so the template is free as part of that class if you want to check that out. Otherwise it's available on Etsy just for a few dollars. So let's get into it. One thing I want to point out with the leather template, if you're looking into engraving or stamping at all, the kind of areas that I've put for that, I've put 4 different areas that are suitable for it. But you don't notice the arrows, so it's important. Obviously once it's all folded up and curved around, everything's kind of pointing in different directions. So Cool, and that's it, all done. I would love to see in the comments if you've had a go at one of these yourself. They're not super easy, particularly the stitching around the side, but don't be disheartened if you are a beginner. I find it hard to stitch up the sides as well. So just keep practicing and keep going. The intention for me with this channel is to try and teach everything about leatherwork that I wish I knew when I began, and to how I incorporate the use of the laser into my business and into my leatherwork. But also to kind of promote the use of natural, vegetable, more sustainable leathers, such as this one, and natural finishes, and how we can use them more in our businesses or our hobbies. So yeah, if you want to keep in touch with that, then please do hit the subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and gives me a bit of encouragement to keep on producing things like these. Otherwise, check out the Skillshare link below if you want to get more in-depth classes or more one-to-one kind of messaging there. If you've got any questions at all, please do let me know. I'm always happy to answer questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching Leather and Lasers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.